Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and I'm back with another DIY video. Today I'll be doing a ginger treatment for the hair, so if you're interested, keep watching. So of course you're going to need some ginger, a grater. You're going to use this side so you can chop the slices into very small pieces. You're also going to need olive oil or any other oil you have to dilute the mixture because ginger can be very sensitive to the scalp. You're also going to need an applicator bottle because it makes application easier, and then you need a cheesecloth or whatever you can use to strain the ginger. So now I'll go ahead and begin the grating process, and while you're watching I'm going to explain the benefits of ginger for the hair. Ginger is known to promote hair growth by stimulating blood flow to the scalp, and improved blood flow to the scalp will mean that the hair follicle is stimulated, and this will result in hair growth. Also, ginger has natural antiseptic properties which helps to fight against dandruff. So if you struggle with dandruff or you're suffering from dandruff, you may want to make sure you incorporate this treatment into your hair routine. Ginger is also known to stop hair loss and strengthen the hair. So this DIY is very important for your hair health, and it's also very inexpensive. You can find ginger everywhere, so you may want to try this. Now I'm done grating, and I'm just going to take the ginger pieces and put into the cheesecloth, as you can see, so that I can strain out the liquid. Make sure you shake the mixture well before you apply so that the oil and the ginger juice can mix together properly. And then you want to go ahead and apply it to your scalp, to every area of your scalp. And then later you're going to massage your scalp in a circular motion so that the ginger can properly penetrate your scalp. Remember, you're going to experience a tingling sensation, but don't worry, that just I'm also going to apply the mixture to the ends of my hair and my entire hair just to strengthen it. Thank you for watching to the end, and if this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you're going to try this, and bye. I will see you in my next video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and I'll see you. Bye.